As a solo cruiser, you're the captain of your own journey. But did you know that packing the wrong gadget could dock your fun before you even set sail? Today, we're counting down the top 10 banned items on cruises with pro tips on why they're off limits and how to cruise smarter without them. Hey there, fellow adventurers. If you're like me, the idea of cruising solo sounds like the ultimate freedom. Waking up to ocean views, exploring ports at your own pace, and making memories without anyone else's schedule. But as a solo traveler, you're on your own for everything, including packing smart. One slip up with prohibited items, and you could face awkward security checks, lost belongings, or even worse, a disrupted trip. That's why today we're diving into the top 10 banned items on most major cruise lines, like Royal Caribbean, Disney, and Carnival. I'll count them down from 10 to 1, explaining what each is, why it's banned, and some solo-friendly alternatives to keep your voyage smooth. Let's set sail. Starting at number 10, extension cords and power strips with surge protectors. These are those multi-outlet plugs you might grab to charge all your devices at once. Why banned? Cruise ships have strict electrical systems to prevent fires and overloads. Surge protectors can interfere with the ship's wiring, posing a serious safety risk. As a solo cruiser, you don't want to be fumbling in the dark without your phone or tablet. Pro tip, most cabins have USB ports now, or pack a simple non-surge extension if allowed, check your line's policy, and use portable chargers instead. It'll keep you connected for those late-night solo stargazing sessions. Number 9. Irons and clothing steamers. You know, those handy tools for wrinkle-free outfits? Banned because they're a major fire hazard. Ships are floating cities, and any heat source left unattended could spark disaster. Solo travelers, imagine arriving at dinner looking sharp without the hassle. Wrinkles happen, but so does onboard laundry service. Alternative, use the ship's pressing services or pack wrinkle-resistant fabrics. Trust me, you'll thank yourself when you're mingling at the solo mixer looking effortless. Coming in at number 8, candles and incense. These aromatic items might seem perfect for creating a cozy cabin vibe on your solo retreat, but nope, they're outlawed due to the open flame risk, which could quickly turn into a ship-wide emergency. Cruises are all about relaxation, but safety first. For ambience, opt for battery-operated LED candles or essential oil diffusers, non-heated ones. It's a small swap that lets you zen out without the worry, especially when you're unwinding alone after a day of excursions. Number 7. Drones, those cool flying cameras for epic aerial shots of the ship or ports. Why the ban? Privacy concerns for other passengers, plus safety issues like interfering with navigation or crashing into people. As a solo cruiser capturing your journey, it's tempting, but getting caught could mean confiscation or fines. Instead, use your smartphone or a GoPro for stunning views. Join onboard photography classes, great for meeting fellow solos while honing your skills. At number 6, hoverboards and self-balancing scooters. Fun for zipping around, but they're prohibited because of lithium battery fire risks, which have caused issues on planes and ships alike. Solo travel means navigating decks on foot, and these could cause accidents in crowded areas. Walk it off or rent scooters at ports. It's better exercise and lets you soak in the scenery at a leisurely pace. Number 5. Heaters, hot plates, and coffee makers. These plug-in appliances for warmth or quick brews. Banned for the same fire and electrical overload reasons. Ships control temperatures centrally to avoid hazards. Solo cruisers, you might miss your morning Joe ritual, but most lines offer 24/7 room service or cafes. Pack instant coffee packets or use the in-cabin kettle if provided. It's one less thing to pack, freeing up space in your solo suitcase. Number 4. CBD products, including gummies and oils. Even if legal at home, these are often classified under drug policies. Why? Cruise lines follow international laws, and CBD can contain traces of THC, leading to complications in foreign ports. As a solo traveler dealing with jet lag or anxiety, it's understandable, but risks include seizure at customs. Check for approved alternatives like melatonin and consult your doctor. Focus on the ship's spa for natural relaxation. Solo massages are pure bliss. Number 3. Hard liquor and beer. While some lines allow wine or champagne, spirits and brews are typically no-go. Reason? To control alcohol consumption and revenue. Ships make money from bars. Solo cruisers, you might want a nightcap in your room, but overindulging alone isn't ideal anyway. Enjoy the onboard lounges. They're perfect for people watching or striking up conversations. Pro tip, pre-purchase drink packages for savings. Number 2, weapons and sharp objects like large knives or firearms. Obvious, but includes replicas too. Banned for security. Cruises are safe havens, and anything threatening disrupts that. Even for self-defense, as a solo traveler, it's unnecessary with 24/7 security. Pack a small Swiss Army knife if under size limits, but better safe, use nail clippers for utility. Peace of mind comes from the crew, not your luggage. And the number 1 banned item, illegal drugs, including marijuana. No matter the form, edibles, vapes, or otherwise. Why? Strict zero-tolerance policies under maritime and international law. Detection dogs at ports mean big trouble, like denial of boarding or legal issues. Solo cruisers, thriving means clear-headed adventures, not risks. If medicinal, get cruise-approved docks, but alternatives like yoga classes on board keep you centered. Whew, that's our countdown. Knowing these bans up front lets you pack light and focus on the joys of solo cruising, like impromptu dances under the stars or quiet reflections at sea. In summary, thriving alone at sea is about preparation and mindset. Avoid these 10 items to sidestep hassles, and you'll have more room for fun. Remember, check your specific cruise line's policies as they can vary. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more insider travel tips, and drop a comment. What's your top solo cruise hack? Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure.